Okay, this is a quick video on how to split 8mm film. This is old 8mm film, which is 16mm in width, and the film needs to be partitioned down the middle in order to be played through an 8mm projector, if you're doing home scanning or whatever. This is just some old Kodachrome 40 film that expired in the 80s, but I did get some decent images on it. I don't know if you can see that. There's some negatives across there. So, easiest way to split this film is to go ahead and get yourself one of these. This is an old film splitting trimmer. It takes a 16mm wide film, which is of course 8mm film, or double 8, and then partitions it properly in two. So it's fairly easy to do, but I suppose I'll just cover it anyway. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a gap in the in this area here. Now, the way I do it is you get the end of your film here that you've developed. You can cut it straight, but I just leave it like that. And then what you want to do is just take the film and then push it through slowly. Now there will be a bit of resistance, but just take your nail and just gently push it through. And it should come out the other side. See, like that? Now when it comes out the other side, it'll be split in two, and then that's your 8mm. Now of course this is 25 feet of film, so to do it all, you just grab it and pull it through. See that? Obviously keep it straight. There you go. Now it's 8mm partitioned in two. Just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't get snagged or whatever. It shouldn't really though, it should be a very clean cut. Oh Jesus, hang on. There you go. Yeah, this film is kind of old, so it likes to bend and snag a lot, but if you're working with, say, film from the film photography project, this should work easy. And there you go. Now you have two 8mm strips, and it's ready to be joined together. Obviously spliced together like this, the two ends, so it can be one continuous strip, and you can put it through a projector. Okay, it's that easy. See ya.